What if I told you that with little amount of money, you can make large quantity of bar soap you can use at home? This bar soap lathers so well that you won't know it's not store-bought. I made this bar soap and it came out so nice. Can you see how it is? Yes, you can achieve yours too. Do you know the sweetest part? I use natural things mostly. You can use neem leaf or awolowo leaf. This leaf has anti-aging properties and keeps your skin radiating. It has antifungal properties and antibacterial. So when you use neem leaf or awolowo leaf in making your soap, be sure to have a very soothing soap for your skin. This soap is good for both adults and children. I started by blending my fresh leaves, just as you can see me do. I blended it, it's very smooth, and then went ahead to sieve with my cheesecloth. You can use whatever you have to strain the juice. This juice is very, very important, and of course it's what we'll be using to make our soap today. Apart from this leaf, other things will be listed in the description box. Please do well to check them out. If you're watching up to this time, thank you for sticking around, and I do hope this video will help you make your own nice soap at home. One of the advantages of making soap at home is that you'll be sure to add whatever you know that is good for your skin and also saves cost. Okay guys, I'll leave it to watch through the video. Remember, all description and quantity will be in the description box. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer you.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals that take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
guys, after mixing all of that together into my neat bucket, I'll transfer them into my soap mode. Here I don't have the exact soap mode that is sold in the market, so you can use this. See what I'm using? I'm using a small carton and layered a nylon down so it won't leak off the carton. And also you can use your takeaway plate, your plastic plate, or any kind of mold you like or you have available. That is one thing I like about making things for myself at home. Then you allow this to get dried properly. Keep it in an open place, not airtight, not under the sun. Keep it at a room temperature so it's together and be as you want it. Mine I kept for 5 days to make sure it's strong and comes out nice, and of course it did come out nice. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye. Enjoy your soup.